Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. Today's project is a memory wire bracelet. It's going to be really cute and dainty with silver flower beads. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, I'm excited to make this bracelet. I bought these beads on a little strand and I put the strand around my wrist and I was like, wow, that would make a cute little simple and dainty beaded bracelet. So that's our project today. It's going to be a beaded bracelet with silver beads. And let me show you what the beads look like, then I'll get started. So they're small little beads, flower beads. And I think that'll make a really cute bracelet, not necklace. Really cute bracelet right across your wrist. So I'm going to put a starter bead there at the end, and I'm gonna put a loop here at the end so my beads don't come off. How's everybody doing? It's Saturday today and I am looking forward to a nice Saturday. I love my Saturdays. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that's closed well. One more time, one more go around. It's a memory wire, so you know it's very thick. Not thick, but tough. Very tough wire. Okay, so I'm going to start on this other end and add my beads. So how's everybody doing? I am hanging in there. I've been working on the Etsy shop a little bit, adding some different types of hoop earrings. I love my hoops. I can't get away from those. I'm an earring girl, but I thought I would do a bracelet today. It's been a little bit, I think, since I did a bracelet video. And who can go wrong with a nice, pretty memory wire bracelet, right? Very minimalistic, but I think it's just really cute. You can wear that with so many different things. Just really basic. A nice silver bracelet for my wardrobe. And I also have to film my collab video for the month of April. So there's another project that I'm going to be working on. I'm excited to make that. And I thought I would just come to you today and work on this one too. I'm hoping to start filming more often as I get different ideas. Just start making more videos. I have to do something with all of these pretty beads that I've been buying, right? I think my last video was a haul video, and so I have to show you what I'm doing with all these all of these beads that I'm buying. All the fun I'm having with my different jewelry. Now this, I don't think it's gonna wrap around too many times, but I wanted to make it as long as the number of beads that I had available. I know it's gonna have at least one pretty wraparound, and then probably 1.5 times I'm thinking, which is gonna be long enough so it's not gonna fall off my wrist. It'll be a nice, probably 1.5 times, but let's see. Not too many more to add here. I'm over half done with the little flowers that I've got. What is the weather like where you are? It's getting pretty warm here, in the afternoons anyway. I was watching television and I still see people in some parts of the country have jackets and coats on, and I'm thinking, wow, it really is still cold, you know, in some parts of the states. It's not too cold here where I am. But I think I'm really ready for warmer weather, and I'm a teacher, and so looking forward to the summer, of course, and yeah, enjoying more weather and things like that. Need to get out and get it to the park and start walking more. Have a treadmill, and I don't use it as much as I should. It's better to get outside anyhow, you know, get vitamin D and exercise and all those good things. So of course, with everything going on, being safe is still so important. Wearing masks, of course, and things like that, but it's okay to go to the park, you know, and get a walk in. Have your mask available if you need it. Get some nice exercise. All right, I'm almost done. Ooh, I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like. You know what this means? This means if this turns out well, it means I'm gonna have to find something, some nice earrings to make with this. And it looks like it's gonna turn out okay. I have extra wire there. I'm gonna put this one at the end, and I'm gonna have to cut part of this. So I have to cut part of that memory wire because it's too long. And so it does look like it's gonna wrap around nicely. So let me grab I know these are not memory wire cutters. I have to purchase some. Still have not added that to my arsenal of, you know, all of my tools, but I will, because the memory wire is so thick, you know. There are special cutters for it. All right, there we go. About time to end this up. That really worked better than I thought. I guess those are some sharp cutters there. All right, gonna flip over this loop. And now I'll have a pretty memory wire bracelet in just a second here. And I'm already thinking about what earrings can go with it. Or what, maybe hoop earrings with the flowers there. Have to figure that out. These are not my normal needle nose pliers. I have to look for. I've lost my good pair, so I'm going to use these for now. These will do for just now. Okay. And see how that works. I think that's enough to wrap around there where it will not fall off of my arm. And I have a nice pretty bracelet. Match anything. You can wear this with, you know, casual wear, jeans or something. T-shirt, I like that. I have to maybe make another one. And then, of course, earrings that would match. Maybe a bar necklace too. Ooh, that would be cute. Okay, well. Okay, so this is the finished product. I like it. I think it turned out pretty. Nice and minimalistic, and it's silver, so you know I can wear this with jeans or whatever. T-shirt. I could make earrings to go with this, which I'm sure I will. Also, maybe a bar necklace, you know, a silver bar necklace to go with that. See what I can do. But I like the beginning of this little set that I'm gonna create, and I hope you like it too. Subscribers, thank you so much. I'm up to 489, so hopefully I'll be up to 500 soon. Thank you so much for your support and always watching and leaving me so many nice comments. I really do enjoy reading them. Thank you. Bye-bye. Till next time.